Hello everyone, this is Sandian for Hanja Bible and Chinese Characters Bible. This time we are looking at Hook, this character. This is one of the characters of meaning creation related Hanja and Chinese characters. Let's look at together. We are here on the index. In Korean language, 갈고리 궐, and hook. The pronunciation is 쥐, tone number 2, 쥐. It's a long journey we have just started together, but don't hurry. We will go through all the Chinese characters step by step with hidden meanings and symbolic analysis, right? This character came from the dot, the first character we have learned. One stroke, one of the radicals, all the same shapes. Korean Hanja and Chinese traditional and Chinese simplified. 갈고리 궐 in Korean language, and in English, hook. The pronunciation of this character is tone number 2, 쥐, just like this. And the symbolic analysis of this character is it's the meaning or shape of a hook. A fishing hook. Can you imagine the fishing hook? Just like this. With a bent end to catch, of course, the fish effectively. Okay, so the symbolic interpretation of this character is the meaning or shape of a hook with a bent end to catch something effectively. So the dictionary meaning, hook, to bend. If you want to make a hook, you need to bend at the end, just like this. To stoop, to crook, to hunch, and then to skewer or to catch. That's the hook. Okay, from this, the shape and meaning, the hidden meaning is derived. Hidden meaning, very, very important. Please try to remember. Hidden meaning is you try to make a hook by working very hard. Make, create, divide, separate. This character is one of the very mysterious Hanja and Chinese characters. Why these hidden meanings it has? You need to think about that, and also cover, wrap, complete, to the end, finally. All sort of these hidden meanings are included in this character. So please try to remember these hidden meanings. I would repeat because this is very, very important. Try, work hard, with effort, make and create. Actually, the completion of the creation. Divide, separate. When you think about the concept of divide and separate, if you want to prosper for your family, for your nation, for your tribe, whatever, God gave us an order to spread on the earth, because in that way we can prosper on the earth. So divide and separate, yeah, one of the hidden meanings. And cover, we can see on this section, stroke change in characters. For example, these characters. Yeah, you write this character just like this. People teach and learn as one of the radicals, but this character, it changes in so many Chinese characters. Just like this, far away, yeah, you go and then you go down and hook. Yeah, this shape. This is also a stroke change of hook. And in the other characters, just, for example, wrap. Wrap. Yeah. The end of these characters, yeah, just like this. So this shape is also the hook, just like this. Okay, and power and force and knife, you can see that the stroke changes. Okay, never mind at this time, because I will explain to you whenever it comes. Okay, so the next issue is why this character has this specific tone number 2. With a hook, you are going to eagerly try to catch something. So tone number 2. Eagerly wanting or longing for catching something. Maybe fish. Yeah, catching, complete, finishing. Yeah, finish. So for your reminder of hidden meanings, I have added some Bible verses. And God saw the light, that it was so good, and God divided the light from the darkness. To go on, actually, divided. Yeah. I just hope you can just feel it, the hidden meanings of this character through these Bible verses. With some other Bible verses, please try to remember the hidden meanings and feel it. Yet God created. Yeah, created. You have learned these two characters, but also please add in your memory this character, created. And also finish. Everything is finished, completed. Yeah, King James Version, John, when Jesus therefore had received the vinegar, he said, "It is all finished, completed." Can you feel it? The concept of this great mysterious character. Okay, thank you very much for your listening. And the lecture materials are below. I had left, I've left a link for your study. Okay, thank you and see you next time.